We are here at the Palace Hotel for Everlaw Summit. It's a beautiful space.
The number of people in the room and the energy in the room.
Everybody seems extremely eager to be here, talk about different things, whether it's platform-specific or industry-specific themes and topics.
It's just really incredible, the panels that have been put together. Everything is really pertinent, relevant to everything that's going on in the legal profession right now.
I loved hearing a journalist explain how he built his story. It just goes to show you how it relates to the legal field.
I have had the pleasure to hear AJ speak about the philosophy of generative AI as it applies to Everlaw. He's been able to synthesize really complex information into a way that I'm able to digest it.
And then also the learning experience is just invaluable.
I took the AI certification. I found it to be very helpful.
We were able to bring back so many wonderful ideas.
And I was taking notes that I'm now excited to go back and start integrating into my workflow. There's just so many people here with Everlaw who want to hear feedback.
Which makes it a truly collaborative effort to produce a better product and better practice of law and hopefully better justice.
It's been great meeting people face to face.
We went to dinner last night and it was such a great conversation. I think we didn't stop laughing the whole time.
Interacting with people is beyond important for just feeling connected.
It's great to see this tech industry come together with the legal field. It's been a really great experience.